Hello dear Scorpios, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Yeah, bingo. Till 30th of June, okay? So keep in mind these are general love readings. It might or might not resonate with you, okay? And the roles could be reversed anytime, okay? Let's start. Boom. Anjali, Anjali, Anjali. Yeah, I know I'm crazy. So let's see. Ouch! No, don't jump here and there. Let's see your partner's current energy right now, Scorpio, is. Your partner's current energy right now, Scorpios, is. Let's see. Why the hell are you jumping, babe? Temperance. I feel like your partner right now is connected to their emotions, trying to lose, trying to work on their patience, trying to, come out of this tempting situation. They are just trying to control their temper. Basically, the thing is like that, and they are trying to be very, very much patient with you, might be with their emotions. So I feel like right now this person is going through overwhelming emotions, overwhelming, overindulgence of emotions, and this person is going through some kind of upheaval in their life, and right now this person wants to be very, very patient. At least energetically they are trying to be really very patient, and I feel like this person is right now trying to control their temper. Might be they are angry and they are trying to control that anger, but whatever the situation is, this person is right now trying to be really very, very patient, calm, mature, practical. Let's clarify. King of Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Hermit. So yes, the story that I'm getting here is that they want you in their life, and they are very, very stable, and they are connected to you, and they are feeling like this relationship should be a long-term committed relationship. That is why they are very slow to approach you. That is why they are taking baby steps towards you, because they are right now dealing with overwhelming situations in their life, and I feel like this person is regretting something that they did in the past. I feel like this person is in deep depression right now, Scorpio, and they are just trying to tap into their spiritual side. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, okay, or you could be dealing with Pisces or Scorpio. This is the situation here. These are the signs that are involved most of the times uh, with Scorpios. Okay, so I feel like this person right now is feeling like this connection in whole is a committed relationship. There should be a committed relationship in this connection, and they feel very, very regretful, very, very depressed because what they did with you in the past. And this person is trying to be tap into their emotional side, tap into their spiritual side, to seek the answers from within, that what should I do next. Okay, what should I do next is the question that they are working on right now. Scorpios, let's see what's your current energy. Scorpios, your current energy right now is, let's see, your current energy right now is, Scorpios, let's see, Eight of Swords. So, Scorpios, you are deeply, deeply in a situation where you are feeling like you are in some kind of jail, or might be some of you are in a literal jail. It's just for 1 or 2% of the Scorpios out there. But I feel like you are feeling right now that you are in some kind of mental jail, and you're not able to decide what is best for you, what is a good thing for you to do. I feel like you're still feeling very connected to this person emotionally, and your mind is saying that this connection is over, there is nothing left in this connection, but you are mentally conflicted. So let me tell you one thing, you can easily come out of this situation if you relax and meditate and seek answers from within. This is the situation here, this is your condition here that you are dealing with right now, some kind of mental jail thing that you are dealing with right now. Okay, let's clarify. But you can easily come out of this situation. That's up to you. Page of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, you are mentally conflicted because you are still carrying emotions, you are still carrying passion about this connection. You are trying to focus on yourself, you are trying to shift your focus on yourself, you are trying to shift your focus on your self-worth, self-healing, your business, your work, but your emotions are overwhelming right now. You are getting to start some kind of overwhelming emotions that even you are not aware of. Okay, okay, you are feeling like, why am I feeling like this? why after so many years, or why after so many fights, or why after so many conflicts, I still feel connected to this person, I still have passion for this person, I still have love for this person. This is your current energy, Scorpios. Oops. Let's see what this person feels for you, Scorpios. Their feelings for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. Six of Wands. So I feel like this person feels like you are somewhat who is a mini celebrity. Might be your Instagram influencer. Might be you are an Instagram star or something like that. Might be you are very famous on the Facebook page, or might be you are very famous on the social media sites. Whatever it is, might be you are very famous between among your community, or among your friends or something like that. But yes, this person feels very good feelings for you. Wow. So this person feels like you are someone who is very very energetic, who is very very enthusiastic, and whenever you do something, you are perfect. You are beautiful inside out. Okay, you make them successful. You make them feel successful. You make them feel victorious. Nice. They are feeling lots of beautiful energies. This is the six of energy of love only, relationship only. Good energy, because this is the six numerologically. I'm telling you. Let's clarify the six of wands. King of Swords, the Sun, and the Two of Cups. I feel like this person is very very clear about their intention, that you make them really happy. You could be dealing with a Leo. So I feel like this person make you feel like this person is very very clear about. Just give me a second, Papa. 2 minutes, ruk jao. So I feel like this person is very very clear and honest about their intentions, that you make them really very you made them feel really happy, and you are their soulmate. You are their soulmate. Okay, these are their feelings for you. These are the feelings that they are having for you right now. Okay, very very clear about their intentions, that you make them really happy and you are their soulmate. This is the feelings that they are carrying for you right now. Let's see what they want from you, what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. Queen of Wands. This person wants a light-hearted connection with you as of now. This person wants you to start this connection with all your emotions, with all your passion, and have love for them, and have creativity for them, and have beautiful emotions for them. Basically, this person wants you to be passionate about them. Okay, about this connection, about this whole connection. Let me clarify further. I'll get you more insight about that. Let's clarify what this person. Let's clarify Queen of Wands in what they want from you. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. So I feel like this person wants you to slow down. This person wants you to slow down right now, and this person wants you to start this connection all over again. This person wants you to have a brand new beginning in this connection, and this person wants you to come out of this situation where you are emotionally off. Emotionally, you are on the crossroads, and this person wants you to come out of this confusing state of mind and start this connection all over again, because this person wants you to be passionate about this connection again. So I feel like this person wants you to realize that there is still passion in this connection, there is still hope in this connection, there is still love in this connection. This is the situation here. Okay. Oops. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June, Scorpios. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. 30th. Let's see. The Hanged Man. I feel like you can expect total silence from them. Surprise! So I feel like you are going to what you can expect from this person is a total silence, fucking total silence. So I feel like this person is trying to come out of this stuck situations. My tongue is stuck. So I feel like this person is stuck on you, and this person is going to give you some kind of silent treatment. This person is not going to tell you exactly what they are feeling for you, and I feel like this person is going to take their sweet ass time to connect to you again and tell you that they love you, although they love you very much. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Hanged Man. Why they are behaving like this? Might be they are very very afraid of reaching you, scared of reaching you, that you're gonna eat them up. Oh my god. The Star, the Chariot, the Eight of Cups. I feel like they're stuck on you. I feel like you're walking away from them, or you walked away from them, and you're trying to move away from them, move on from them, but they're very hopeful. I feel like this person is very very hopeful that everything is going to be fine, but although you know, physically they are trying to move on from you, physically they are trying to walk away from this connection, but energetically this person is not going anywhere. They are stuck, they're deeply stuck. And the another story that I'm getting is that you are trying to move away from them, you are trying to walk away from them, or you walked away from them, but they are still hopeful that everything is going to be fine between you guys, and they're trying to be, you know, silent as of now. This is the situation, and they're trying to be as mature as possible. I told you as their current energy. This was their current energy, that they want to be, you know, they are trying to be patient with you. So Scorpios, I feel like this is all about your love life till the 30th of June, and this reading will give you some kind of insight about your love life, what's going on, and what will happen till 30th of June. I hope this will help you. Okay, thank you so much for choosing me, for tuning in with my videos. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section so that I can also see. And thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali.